Okay. So I lied yesterday. I said I got all the stuff done on that page. I didn't. I missed out on the C3 capacitor. So that's a little doodad right there. They have little check boxes in this. Of course, I'm not actually checking anything off, so that would have been a little apparent when I didn't check it off, but I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh yeah, I guess I forgot. But since this has little things on here where everything should go, it would become apparent that there was no capacitor there when I don't know how that would have affected things. So we're not going to find out because we're going to put it on. One thing I also discovered is I don't think they gave me enough wire to do that. To do this, plus you're supposed to have some wire for the speaker, and the speaker's just plain. So I grabbed some wire from something else. But now remember, we got our capacitor, and so I'm gonna take this time and flip down to aim the camera down and get back to doing that. I'm actually going to record something. I should probably turn it on. So I put the capacitor in, soldered it in. So boom, 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 that's done. Now it's time to get the resistors on. We got R2 and R3 here. R2 is brown, black, red, gold. So it's brown, black, red, gold. And I have gold going that way, so I'll put that in. Pull that through. Bend, bend, boom. And now we need the other one. R3 is blue, black, blue, gray, black, gold. So it's blue, can barely see gray, black, gold. And we're going to put it this way. So consistently inconsistent. Pop that sucker in. Bam, bam. Capacitor. Be C2. They don't have you do C1 until later, which is weird because you're going to get them right next to each other. Why wouldn't you do them both at the same time? But, you know, hey, I didn't design this. I would probably not be doing it in this order anyway. Because, double check. Negative's negative. Boom. Boom. Okay. Transistors. We put both transistors in now, so go figure. Sometimes you put both things in, sometimes you don't. The red board's got transistors, some don't. So, transistors, you've got the 3 prongs, and then there's a flat side. You want to make sure your flat side goes in, so this will have to bend the center one out. It's easier said than done. If I think I was manufacturing these, I would probably have made. Maybe it's easier to bend the 2 outside ones forward a little bit. There we go. And spread those out. They're both the same kind of transistor, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. And do the transistor. We'll come back and do LEDs. I'm going to do the LEDs at the same time because why? I said so. Actually, you know what? Yeah. Bend out this transistor so I can get it roughly close to where the holes will be. Line up the holes. Stick them in. Make sure the flat thing's lining up with the flat thing. Come back on this side. Pull it through, taut, bend, bend, bend. And now you can just go through. Start soldering like a madman. I'm gonna put that down there to weigh that a little bit, so maybe that, so this doesn't jerk all over the place on me. Make sure we get this positioned for the soldering, and this starts soldering. So. There we go. Boop. Boop. Sound effects are entirely optional. Boop. Again, those capacitors are so close together. I'll have to look at that later. Guess I'm up to the transistors now. So. These. Close together too. These pads are large and very close together. I'll have to check continuity. That's done. Bust out ohmmeter again. Check the continuity before, in case I have to reposition anything. We'll be trying to put clipped things into the continuity. Measure ohms, resistance. Alright. Good. Good. There's a capacitor there. They're awfully close. Okay. Those are good. I'm going to probably need this again for the snip off some of the stuff, get it out of the way. Check. Looks good. Pull it up. Should get my other snippy things out. Should have waited to put that battery down. Out the transistors. Does help to have this angled. Right. Things are flying everywhere. I'll be picking up that stuff for a long time. So now we got transistors, need capacitor, 3 resistors, and 2 LEDs. We'll wait on the LED. So skipping the LED, R5 and R6. No, R5 and R4. R5, R4. R1. R4A. What is it? R4A. Oh. Yeah. That's for later. I read ahead. Later we're going to be actually pulling out 4 and 6 and replacing them so we'll get a different sound. But that's providing it actually works the first time. So let's get moving with the R5. It should be R5 is 47 kilo, yellow, violet. This way. There's really no method to their madness other than maybe somebody decided it's more important how it looks in the booklet than but whatever. Now I need R4. R4 should be a red, orange, gold. Red, orange, gold. That. If I was thinking, the R5, if I knew about that at the time, I probably would have. Yeah, we'll do what we need to do. Move that over. We need capacitor 4, which is a 2. There's really not much left because C1 goes there. We know that one's circular, and these don't have the. There's the capacitor. And it's polarized. So we need to put the negative towards the negative, straighten these things out because they make it so convenient. There we go. Go something like that. Foomp. Straighten that up because, well, we'll see. And we'll hit C1, R1. We need R1. That's the one way all the way at the, not the tippy top, but up toward the top. Yellow. Make it so easy to see the yellow. The highlight of the yellow. The highlight of the tan color is almost the exact match for the yellow. So we got yellow, violet, brown, gold. Brown, gold. Gold this way. Oh shit, there's another jumper. Another jumper? They didn't give me stuff to do another jumper. Bastard. You're supposed to be doing all these jumpers. Why not? Yeah. Oh, I see. They had the jumpers because you need to remove those when you swap out the resistors. Not. Yeah. Honestly, just want extra. Got a jumper there. I don't know if I have any of the. I think I trashed the blue one. I'm going to be using green wire again because I have that. Oh. Let's carry split it. There's a fine line between stripping, ripping, and clipping. Okay. Too easy. Where are we at? Okay, got the jumper. 2 LEDs. We'll do those last. So I might just get a battery. I think I have one around here. Anyway, let's get the soldering. Solder. Get soldering. That's okay. It's on. There we go. Down to the jumper. Okay. Double check. Speaker. They have a little hole here. Come on, man. The resistor should have been. Yeah. Shit. Where's my little wick? Desolder that. Maybe. Ow. A little better. It's good as that's going to get. Tip. Back. Let's draw back there. Get that little solder. Okay. Oh, resistor is sticking up a little dry. Didn't look nice. So now it looks better. Didn't look perfect, but better. Better's better. So. Nowadays they have everything soldered by robots, so service mount. Oops, probably should have thought that one over. Forgot to check the continuity on that. Capacitor looks like there's a little space between them, but there it is. Just going to check the continuity real quick and see if they're touching, and if they're not, life is good. So as long as I don't touch it, that looks good. So no obvious shorts. Need to put LED in. More components, just LEDs. Let's check. Yep, the thing's got something. Got some empty holes for who knows what. Again, probably would have put this on last. But, well, so we got really 2 LEDs. Put the speaker on because this thing can do all it wants, but all of them blink maybe. Oh, here's the LEDs. And again, LEDs are, this one has 3 holes. Oh, they're polarized. So it should be a positive or negative. There's the battery. There's the battery. There's the negative. That should be negative. Coming around. Zip, 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 zip. Zoop. Probably this side would be negative. Let's see what it says. Oh, there's a little dent on the LED, so you mount it that direction. So the little dent goes that direction. But usually, if you have an LED, it's the longer one. Is that the negative? Anyway, you can actually look in through an LED also. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. But let's see which. Man, it's not easy. There's the dent. It goes that way. Dent goes in place a little bit. Flip and solder. Boom. We're down to putting the speaker on. Okay, now we have a speaker. Got these wires for the speaker since they were so generous in their supply of wire that I didn't even have a wire. Was screwed up that little tiny piece. That was pretty much all she wrote, and that was still not going to be enough to cover the speakers. And I measured out cut, so I don't know. I don't know what they're thinking. So got a positive and a negative, and no indication on here which positive and negative. Sweet. Insert the speaker wires. Probably not gonna matter much. So I'm gonna attach the wires to the speaker first. Get this little bend. At least the speaker has some heft to it, so it shouldn't go around too much. Of course, you can't even see the speaker because it's off back here. I'll move it up a second. Get that out of the way for now. Put it aside the speaker, and then we'll pull that back in. Look at all that. Smart, I have a magnet or something. So anyway, here's the speaker, and here's the little wires I got for it. So move those so I can see it and get some light in it. Now what I did is I curved these a little bit so I can just hook them on there and put a dab of solder on there, and it should be good to go. Or not. Do this side. Putting weight on it to hold that in place. Come in and solder this. Blocking the light with the solder iron so you can see. Good enough. Give it a few seconds and get right there tight enough. I gotta feed it through. It's got a hole right here. Feed both of them through. Okay. Side and the blue one on this side. This might be easier to do one at a time. And the blue one's there. I'm just going to do the blue one and I'll do the purple one. I think it'll be easier that way. So. I'll come back and get the purple one after I get the blue one. And they're just those colors because that's the colors I picked. Make sure tug on it. If you tug on it, it didn't go anywhere. Probably got a good connection. And feed this through here. It's not gonna be, nothing can ever be easy, so. Feed that through. See it? About that. A second. That's on there. This is one of the few things I can actually test the continuity. I can put the meter there. Should be the purple one. And continuity. And continuity. So, I think we got it all built together. Double back to see that soldering looks good and all the components, everything is alright. Attach 9-volt battery, it snaps. Maybe I have a 9-volt battery. I just found the other day. But I don't. So I'll be back. Alright, I did the tongue test. So, and, yeah. There's the magnet. Yep. Resolder the speaker wire. We're not done yet. Unless that just broke off. No, it pulled out. There should be enough solder there to just poke this in it. Where are we? Ah, yes. We can now do the smoke test. So here's the thing. I did the tongue test for the battery. So let's see what happens. Oh no, she's gonna blow. New battery thing. Hard to get on there. Well. Well, they're coming for you. They're coming for you. Alright. Let's, I'm gonna go ahead and, stop the camera and pop out the other two, and then we'll use resistors and see what it sounds like then. We'll be right back. Well, I screwed up. I put the R6A in instead of the R6, so I'm going to go ahead and take the R6A out, which would be this one, and put in the other one, and then we'll run it again, and now then it should sound like it's supposed to, and then take that back out and put the R6A back in and put the R4A out and put the so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Well, I'm back, and we're gonna put the battery in. Swapped out the R6A for the R6, so this is what it should have sounded like. Alrighty. Not that big a deal. And one side of that, put the other ones back in. Turns out I had the right 6 and R4 in. Turns out the R5 was wrong, so I swapped that out to the one it's supposed to be, and this is how it should have sounded. Okay, now I could probably swap out the other ones, but I don't know if I really want to go through that, so I'm not calling this done since I've already swapped out 2 resistors already, since I thought that one was wrong and then I actually made it more wrong and then switching it back. So anyway, let's see. So it's completed now. My overall impression of the kit is, yeah, you do this, you follow through, you learn to solder. Again, I wouldn't do things in the order they have them on here, just because wrestling with the battery thing, I think that could have been, you know, that could have been like, probably would be better to put that on right before you put the speakers on, because wrestling around with the speakers is a little worse than wrestling around with the battery, but that's only one step. If they'd waited to put the battery thing on until last, it would have made things flipping the board over a lot easier. But other than that, it's a decent thing. You can still get this actual kit still available. Like I said, at Carl's Electronics, some other places, but they have it for $15. So I think I paid $20 14 years ago. So yeah, you. Oh, I didn't even see if I can adjust the volume. Let's see if we can adjust the volume. I didn't even think of that. So, I can adjust the volume. So, alright, well, I guess I'll be moving on to my next project. I don't know if I'll record that one. I have Carl Electronics. This is an amplifier, 10 watt stereo amplifier. I have some other projects too, but in the meantime, this is getting a little annoying. So with that, I'll be signing off. Bye.